Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Surprise! Apart from cooking, you will get to see outside of Burag recipes. I know you are getting bored of eating same routine upmas, so let's try a new variety, that is Oats Upma, which is very healthy and nutritious too. Let's have a look into the ingredients on screen and keep it ready with you. In a hot pan, add 4 to 5 spoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, handful of cashew nuts, and handful of peanuts, and fry it until nice golden in color. Now add a string of curry leaves and fry it. Take n number of varieties of vegetables and also add 1 inch of chopped ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, handful of onions, and fry it. Now add roughly chopped tomatoes and fry it until it is mushy. Now add handful of green peas, roughly chopped cauliflower, finely chopped carrot, capsicum, finely chopped potatoes, and also add 1 spoon of salt and give a quick stir and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Now add 1 glass plus 3/4 glass of water and bring it to a rolling boiling. Now add a glass of oats and mix it. On a medium flame, let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes by stirring in between and place a lid. That's it, our yummy oats is ready to serve. No need of any chutneys or powders, just simply serve it as it is. It's very tempting to eat. Am I right? Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.